Go ahead and put these on your pan. All right, since the dough is a lot stickier than what I thought it would be, go ahead and still bake this for 2.5 hours on 200 degrees, or leave it out for 2 days so it can dry on its own. Yummy! So these came out of the oven yesterday and I let them dry even more overnight. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and break off the pieces on the sides. These smell so incredible. So next, you want to grab some ribbon. And I forgot to tell you all, I did use a straw to make the holes before I did bake them. Go ahead and put the ribbon through and make a knot. And now you can hang this on your tree. They do need to dry just a little bit longer. They are a little bit soft right in the middle, but on the edges, they're nice and hard. All right, now you can go ahead and hang this on your tree. Wow, it smells incredible. You can always decorate it too if you like. I make these mainly for the smell of it. So your Christmas tree smells like cinnamon and nutmeg and allspice. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Until next time, bye.